So here's the problem. I got a check engine light. So what is the problem? Right under this. This pops right up. And it's right here. Just one bolt. Use a screwdriver to get this this connector off, and easy to swap. The part number is right there for you to take a look at. And this is a Cayenne Turbo 958. And here it is after changing the sensor. So what sensor is it? Okay, so changing out the pressure sensor didn't work. My check engine light still came back on. So the next thing it could be is this oil separator. Some sell some kind of filament or something inside here, but I'm going to change out the whole thing. And there's 4 screws down here that are holding the 4 of these screws right here that are holding down this plastic. I'm going to take that off first. So the check engine light still didn't go away. It went away for about 10 miles and it came right back. So we changed that and we changed that, and still. So I took out the this piece to clean the throttle body, and it doesn't. I cleaned it a little bit. It wasn't that dirty, but the next thing it could be is this thing right here, whatever this is. I'll have to look it up. And here's with the cover off. Those are ignition coils right there. And we need to change this buddy right here. So it looks like there's 1, 2, at least 3 bolts I see. Here's a replacement part, and it looks like an 8mm will work on there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on there. You have to take the tubes off. And here's the back of it. Here's with the tube off. You can see there's these ledges right here that grip this. So you just want to squeeze really hard on these and angle a little bit without breaking anything and pull it off. So you got on both sides these crevices where it clicks onto. And this is what it looks like when it's off. Just careful you don't drop anything in there, but pretty simple. The old one is right here, and then the newer one. This is actually not new, but it was cheap, so I got it. So trying to fix this check engine light, I thought that perhaps it's a leak because I heard some whistling noises, and I know that the gasket on this throttle body that goes inside this right here can sometimes wear out over time. So I tried to, I just ordered a new throttle body. I got a good price on it. That's the part number on them right here for the Cayenne Turbo. And you know, these things can go bad. It's an electronic unit. So, and then this thing, to pull this thing out, this thing goes to the this is like a manifold for the intake. Mine is aftermarket, obviously. Yours is plastic, and to pull this out sometimes it's hard on the original ones because you got this thing right here, and this thing has like a, it's kind of like it pops out, and when it pops out it holds onto it, and when you gotta like press it down, I believe, for it to come out, something around those lines. But they're fragile and they do break. So anyways, I'm going to change the gasket here, and the gasket on this, if I bought the right part, there's another gasket inside this, and I'm trying to basically make sure there's no air leaks going on here or any manifold issues, as well as the gas cap, not a gas cap, but the engine cap. This is brand new. I thought I might as well change that after 15 years or so. That could go bad. But again, I mean, there's a lot of plastics in here, and any of this stuff can go bad, which is a nightmare if you think about it. Any of these could go bad and have a leak on it, which can cause your check engine light to come on.
Quítame ese también de ahí.